Hey guys, this is Daniel from MA. I know you were waiting for a long time for the new grandMA3 software version 2.4, but now it is out and available for you. So what we did, we improved the phaser workflow. So you were waiting for a lot of phaser functionalities and a new editor, which brings the phaser workflow closer to the recipes. Test this and I'm sure you will like all the new functionalities you get in this phaser area. What else did we do? We had a look at presets and especially solved the workflow with universal presets. You get a lot more options there and you get a better workflow in exchanging the data from selective to global to universal. So whatever you want to do with the presets, the workflows definitely improved in this area as well. What else? We improved the MVR import. So whenever you want to import an MVR file to your console, you can now pick and choose which elements from the MVR you actually want to transfer in your show file. So a sequential MVR import, which a lot of you guys were waiting for a long time now. What else? We implemented one of my favorites, the phone tethering. So what you can do now when you are in a festival situation or on a job where you don't have internet connection, you can connect your phone to your console and use the mobile data to load fixture types from the MA fixture share or the GVTF share. So this is a nice improvement whenever you are out in the field and you need the right fixture type. And then last but not least, we added the preview functionality. So to preview multiple sequences, to preview your cues, edit them and update things in your cues where you don't want to see it at the live output. So check the new grandMA3 version 2.4. It's available now to download from our website. And I would say happy programming.